looks like a short story or a script of a horror movie, but unfortunately it was a real disaster. Hurricanes are extremely dangerous. They can become deadly if the right precautions are not taken. Today I'm going to talk to you about an extremely dangerous hurricane which killed many people and caused various dangers.
Grows into a Category 4 hurricane. A few hours later, it reaches Category 5, the highest possible rating. Winds exceed 175 miles an hour. All residents in New Orleans are ordered to evacuate. For those without the means to leave, the city sets up shelters.
Hurricanes form over the warm ocean water of the tropics. When warm, moist air over the water rises, it is replaced by cooler air. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes huge storm clouds to form, which creates a hurricane. Over 1 million people were told to evacuate from Hurricane Katrina or go to shelter in the Superdome. The final death toll was at 1,836 people, primarily from Louisiana and Mississippi. More than half of these victims were senior citizens. 705 people are reported as still missing as a result of Hurricane Katrina. The leaves, as you can see in this photo, were designed only for a Category 3 hurricane, but Katrina peaked to a Category 5 hurricane with winds up to 157 miles per hour, which resulted in the leaves breaking.
Hi, my name is Aaron, and today I am here with a Hurricane Katrina survivor. What was it like to be in Hurricane Katrina?
Well, on August 24th, 2005, we were warned that there was a tropical storm starting to make its way up towards our area in Louisiana, and they named it Katrina.
That sounds very interesting. When did Katrina become a hurricane?
Hurricane Katrina became a hurricane on August 25, and it made landfall near the Gulf on August 29th.
Is there anything else you would like to share with us?
Yes, throughout this horrifying time, I could not believe the extreme circumstances that people would go through to save their pets.
Wow, this is extremely dangerous for the people who would go back to save their pets' lives. I heard that Hurricane Katrina was the costliest and the strongest ever recorded on the Gulf.
Well, Hurricane Katrina was the largest and the third strongest hurricane ever recorded to make landfall in the U.S. But it was the strongest ever recorded on the Gulf. Katrina was the costliest storm in U.S. history, and its effects are still felt today in New Orleans and on the coast of Louisiana.
Is there a probability that a hurricane will happen in this area in the future?
The probability of a future hurricane in Louisiana coastline is about 2 times every 3 years, and a hurricane makes landfall once every 2.8 years.